Hey guys, our power boot lead stopped working the other day, and this was quite annoying. This is a common VAC problem with failing latch microswitches. They provide the car with the wrong latch open-close status, and the car doesn't lift the lid. Now a bit of theory. This is the main latch, which pulls the lid down and keeps it tight when closed. And this is a pre-latch. It's supposed to release the lid. Both of those latches have microswitches, which indicate their open-close status to the car. This is how the whole thing works. The pre-latch microswitch also activates the trunk light. When the issue appeared the other day, I've grabbed my laptop and run the diagnostics to check which microswitch is faulty. And looks like it is the pre-latch one. So we have ordered a new lock. There are plenty alternative brands now. Disassemble the boot and replace the lock. By the way, by jumping the pins 2 and 3 of the pre-latch connector gives the indication to the car that the lock is open. This can be used as a temporary workaround if needed. So, the lock replacement fixed the problem for a few weeks, and the issue came back. We did the main lock position adjustment as well. This did not help. As we say, the greedy pays twice. We decided to buy an original lock. Should have done it from the beginning. Disassemble the boot lid again. Even though the locks look the same, but the original lock's mechanism feels more softer and smoother. Replacement went smooth, and this fixed the problem. As you've probably noticed, our lid is not being lifted too high, and it wobbles during the work. We have decided to replace the boot gas struts as well. Both Stabilus brand, they are used as original ones. For power boot version you need a 580 Newton and a 460 Newton struts. For standard manual boots 2 by 580 Newtons are required. Pump new struts few times and replace them. One of the struts was shot. Original struts are also Stabilus brand. The lead went sky high with the new struts, but the bloody lead stopped working again. We've tried playing with the main latch adjustment again, but this did not help. So, in the end we just installed the old struts back and the lead started working properly again. We did our best here. Maybe one day we will find out the truth, what else can be done here. Thanks for watching and see you in the next engine assembly episode.